is not exactly searching a fantastic art piece. But I think this escape. Like I think this snake that is has this. So it's like changing the skin. Is exactly the way to tell the story of this exhibition, because it I think it represented always in alchemia. I always liked this idea of this circular, idea. And today, I think the Uroboro represents how much it's important that we understand that we have to change our skin continuously. It's something that has to be so with a kind of rigorousness, but at the same time has to be something with so grateful, open, colorful, so with some energy. I like that idea that the skin is moving or is changing, something is happening. When I was asking to Haworth to do the Uroboros, they were saying, but in some way it would be nice to speak with Pantone, because this year we were thinking, there was a conversation. I said, let me put all together, let me sleep. We come back to the argument. And then we spoke in the studio and said, well, Pantone is always not only choosing the color of the year, but is always trying to create matching ideas of color, of a palette of color, arguments like this. Me, I don't think too much about through palettes, but I have colors for me are fantastic only because of a reason. Because the color is always react to light and react to other colors. The problem of color is not to say, I loved it. I think it's a ridiculous thing. Color, from white to black, I think this, for me, all the colors are fantastic, but it's the quantity of color, is the relation, is the patchwork, is the densities, is the how much they live in relation with others. And in the Uroboros, we were saying, well, those colors, they are springtime. This is our skin. Then we began with this rosé, this green, the lilac, and the light green, and there were the Pantone palette. I said, that's fantastic. When we speak about fabrics or material that you can use for covering in a gentle way, something is the most interesting one, because you use the only quantity you need. I think in this moment, I like to take this human side of this hermetic and a little bit absurd metaphor to look at us as human related in a larger, I think, context, which is our work.